Hello everyone and welcome back to Adopt Me. And today I just got 4 neon pets fully grown. So, not neon pets, we're about to make a pet neon. So yeah, so in my inventory you can see that this one's full grown, this one is full grown, and if you go down here, this one is full grown, and also this one is full grown. I can't ride them because I don't have enough Robux to get a riding potion, but that will be soon. So yeah, let's just walk over here and let's go get our pet. So yeah, I'm gonna put one right here. That's Sparky's, and right here we're gonna put this one and this one. We're gonna place another pet. We're gonna put it right here, and then we're gonna go over here. Okay. Well, now it is a neon pet. Ah! Oh my gosh, it's a neon pet. It is a neon pet. OMG, guys. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to name it because the name was Sparky. Now we're gonna make it Sparky. So yeah, its name is Sparky, and my brother is holding it. So let me just. Thank you. Let's go. Yeah, I feel like this is really cool. So we did it in less than 24 hours. So yeah, I feel like that's really achievable. And I feel like I should show it off in a public server. Ooh, that looks so cool underwater. Wait, I want to go back in. So, yeah, let's go back in, and then we're gonna see it in like real light, you know? So like in a darker light. It looks so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so amazing. Okay, well, my sister and brother, which are right behind me, they helped me make my pets neon. They helped me get the pets full grown, and I think so. Yeah, let's just get out of this cave, and let's go out of here. Come on, let me out of here. Okay. Well, let me go to the other side. Wait, maybe we need to go somewhere else. Please tell me we need to go somewhere else. Like, actually, I've been in the neon place a bunch of times, and I've never actually been able to make something neon. So this is a very big achievement. I think we should go into a public server and show off our neon pet. We are about to hop into a server, public server. So yeah, let's hop into one. This is my second video today. I feel like I'm on a roll. I'm sorry for that little cut, guys. Sorry for the little cut, guys. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. It's like not letting me do what I'm trying to do, and that's really frustrating. So, yeah, sorry guys, technical difficulties. I'm trying to make this work. If I go bye-bye in the next few seconds, that's because somehow when I click into the Adopt Me thing, it's not letting me, so let me just. Okay guys, we're gonna have to try. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, we're gonna have to hop back into the server. I really hope it works this time. Okay, finally, it worked. Well, I'm glad I didn't just lose all of the footage of me getting a neon pet. Anyway, let's just get into Adopt Me. I feel like I'm saying Adapt Me. Like, that's kind of weird, but it's fine. You know, we're locked in our house, but that is okay, you know? Well, hi, friend. Well, anyway, I'm gonna go into my backpack and get out. Where is it? Where's my neon pet? There we go. So this is my neon pet, and we're going to pick it up and now we're gonna take it out to show everyone. I feel like this is really early. Like, this is really late for neon style thing. So, yeah, I guess. Well, anyway, looks like my friends are in the game, including Peachy. So yeah. So guys, we have a neon pet in the game. I am so happy. So what I had to do was I had to go into another account and try to get so many dogs, and then I had to trade them back to my main account. So it was pretty interesting. And why is that glitched? OMG. Okay, my life. That's my life. You know. Well. I think this is really cool. And yeah. So I feel like I've achieved something that I've really wanted to achieve for a long time. And even though it's with a dog, I'm still grateful because we can make so much happen, and I am so happy. Actually, let's rename our neon. Let's name it. Oh gosh. Okay. Neon pet. Not for trade. Okay, well, yeah, so that's basically that. Well, yeah, so I'll be right back, guys. Yeah, I'm just gonna play around, and yeah. Guys, I had to go back into the game because something went on and people came home. Oh my gosh, there's something lawn mowing out there. Please don't listen to that. Oh my gosh, okay. My brother just talked us back. Well, guys, since my friends are gone, I'm gonna end the video off here. Well, guys, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye!